If you're experiencing issues with CS2 multiplayer not working and want to speed up your gameplay, follow these steps to optimize your experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. Upgrading hardware may be necessary for optimal performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers updated can significantly improve game performance and fix compatibility issues. Step 3. Optimizing game settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows. Disabling unnecessary features like VSync and anti-aliasing can also help improve frame rates. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can enhance your game's performance. Use Task Manager to identify and close resource-heavy programs. Step 5. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. You can also run a speed test to check your connection quality and consider resetting your router if you experience issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your CS2 multiplayer experience. Enjoy your gameplay.